Welcome back to your 11th MySQL tutorial, and my name's Caleb if you didn't know that, and I just dropped this book. I put it here so my chalkboard would be a little higher. I put a huge dent in it, and it hurt me deeply because it was like brand new almost. But I guess it's the content inside it. I just thought I'd tell you that to you guys because I don't know. But alright, so in this video I'll be teaching you basically everything you need to do to build a database, but I'll be putting it in plain English. So I may not be using the proper syntax, which is basically how the language is set up and written, but I will be teaching you the basics of building a database. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is define what your database is for. So for this example, let's say you own a gym, like a place where you work out. I haven't been there, obviously, but and people sign up and give you like a monthly payment or whatever to use your gym, and you have them fill in a form with all their information. So I'm going to write everything that's on that form. Now here's everything I wanted to store. So let me go through this. You have your name, which is the name of the person, where they live, their phone number, and then the membership status. I want that to be like a 3-option, like bronze, silver, and gold. So like if you're gold, you get the most features or whatever. You understand. Workout program, that's like a specific workout program currently in the gym that you can sign up for and do with them, and then their age. So that's the first thing you want to do. And then you want to define what types of information these are. So you look at this, you have their name, that's string, this should be a number. Membership status, this is going to be a string. Workout program, string. Age, is a number. So you have 2 numbers. Then also, don't forget we need an ID for each individual entry. So you have an ID, which is a number. So the very first thing you'll need to do is create a database, which you can just do with the MySQL command. Create a database. And then you can just put your database name. So let's just call it gym. Just like that. And then what you do next is you create tables for your information. Now, before we do that, let's look at it and see if there's any normalization needing done. Name, you can break that up into first name, last name, but you can actually do that with an alter command once you create the database if something goes wrong. So don't worry about that for now. What is that? Membership status, I'm going to use enum there, which is one option out of the select few. And then workout program, I'm going to actually make a new table for that because that is very dynamic and will change over time. So basically you'll have a table with their information, which is all this stuff. But for a workout program, you'll have another table. And then basically it's a many-to-many relationship because one person can have multiple workout programs, and then a workout program can have multiple people in that workout program. So I hope that makes sense. Don't worry if it doesn't. You have the workout programs down here. Workouts. That's the table name. Then you have the info up here. And then you can put more information about the workouts down here and all their info right here. Then right here is a intermediary table between the two. So it's the let's make that members. Then we can name this table members workouts to combine them. So I don't even think you can read it, so it's okay. This will basically say a member with an ID of 1 has a workout of ID 2, member ID of 1 has a workout of ID 3, member with the ID of 4 has a workout ID with number 1. That's how you connect them. So then what you want to do is create a table for your members and then put all of the columns and the type of information that they'll store. So let's just say, I'm not doing exact syntax, we'll have the name, and it will be a string, and it will be not null, just like that, basically. And then just do that for everything, and then you can close this. So this will basically just say create table with the members, and then you list each column and all the extra features with it. And we'll get into more of that when we program our database soon. And then we'll also need to create a table for, workout program? Yeah, workout program. So create table. Workout program. And then what you can do is have an ID, which will be auto increment, and it will be integer maybe. And then you'll have the workout name. Man, I need to work on my writing. This is ridiculous. Then you just list all the columns in this table. Then what you want to do is have create a third table. So create table, and this will be members workout program. So members workout program, MWP, and you'll have member ID, and then you will also have workout ID. Sweet. And then this will be a foreign key up to the members table, the workout table, and this will be a foreign key to the ID of the members table. So this will be the workout table, this will be the members table. And this right here is a table in between the two. This connects these two tables. Okay, as you can see, this is an entry into the database, the members table. So the member's name is Jim, he's 46, he's a gold member, and he has an ID of 9001. I left out the address and stuff because I don't feel like writing it. But basically, then you can gather information from your database and retrieve it. So you can say, select all the members with the ID of 9001. Alright, that should only retrieve one result. For one, a primary key should always be unique. So if you have two members with an ID of 9001, you're doing it wrong. So you better stop that and make it auto increment so the next member should be 9002. That'll keep everything separate because that's how the ID is how you can find information, such as the ID 9001 refers to Jim. So if you need to find Jim, you can use his ID. Now in order for you to get this information, Now in order for you to get this information into your database, you need to do an insert command. So you would say, insert into table members, name Jim, age 46, gold member with an ID of 9001, and so on. That's an insert command. So basically the steps go like this. So here's the process. First thing first, create the database. Done. We did that. Then we created the tables. One was members, one was workouts, and one was members workouts for the normalization process. Then we inserted into the table. Now I actually showed you how to select the information first, just because I thought it'd be easier to understand what's going on. But you need to insert your information into the table by saying insert into table the person with the ID 9001, which then you can say their name and all the other information. And any information you don't have, you leave blank. And that goes on the fact of being null or not null. If you don't put anything, it will be null. And if you have a not null column, which if you remember, not null, this will not allow blank entries. So it'll go to a default entry, or it will give you an error if there's no default. So after you insert into the table, you can select the information, basically retrieving the information. So select all the members with the first name Jim, select all the members with the age 46, or select all gold members. Maybe you want to give a discount to anybody who's been a gold member for more than a year as like a little bonus or something. Well, that's how you would go about doing that, using select statements. Now, that's all that. And in the next video, I'll be doing similar thing, still English, but I'll be doing more advanced queries and also some other updating information that will help you to better understand what's going on. And you better stick with me because it's going to be awesome. I know I say that all the time, but seriously. this series is awesome. So yeah, I'm excited to finish the next video, so watch that and please click like and subscribe. Thanks.